Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Peak Construction. Congratulations again to the entire team at Peak Construction serving the Fishkill, Hudson Valley areas of New York and parts of Connecticut on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for being one of the few companies in America to win back-to-back national Best of the Best honors each year since 2014, including our top national honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and 18. Peak Construction is a very good company in every way. When we first reviewed Peak back in 2014, they had scores of 5-star reviews on multiple credible websites. They have more today. But at Best of the Best, we care most about those recent reviews because we know that things can change at companies, and things have changed at Peak Construction. Their reviews have actually gotten better. Peak Construction's list of services is a long one. Essentially, if you need work done at your home or office, Peak either does it or knows who does. They are experts at everything from roofing to siding, new home construction, full design services, great remodeling additions, building garages and barns. Peak has a full disaster restoration division, which has helped many people in this part of the country after fires, floods, terrible weather events, broken pipes, mold. When people have a big problem, Peak sends in the cavalry. The owner, Bill Metzger, is a smart guy who's surrounded himself with other smart, progressive people, and they've built Peak Construction into one of the most respected companies of its kind anywhere. They are also sticklers for customer satisfaction. Remember, we first reviewed Peak Construction without telling them in 2014. We've checked in on them and their reviews many times since. When we did our second video review without telling them in early 2018, Peak had scores of recent, brand new 5-star reviews from late 2017 and 2018. Peak is also a Guild quality member, which we love at Best of the Best. It means that Peak's owner, Bill Metzger, actually pays an outside firm, Guild, to survey Peak clients. Now think about that. How many contractors do you know who care enough about customer satisfaction to go out and hire a company to survey their own customers? Not many. We read over 150 recent 5-star reviews on Peak Construction in early 2018. Clients simply raved about the professionalism of the team, the workmanship, the communications, the fair pricing, and most importantly to us, Peak clients raved about the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Peak Construction every day. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. Peak Construction does. They've given back to many people and organizations over the years. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at Peak Construction for winning national Best of the Best honors each year since 2014, including our top national honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and 18. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.